Ajde, žive.
Svirat ću dok ne prestanem. Neću slike, neću filmove. Svi laži, ja ne vjerujem.
Kino Otok, filmski festival, so filmi v bistvu iz celega sveta iz Afrike.
Are you going to start? Women's first.
Mi dogaj gledamo kakšne filme, otroške.
Film je izraz volje človeka.
Ja, film, ne. Dobro, če človek zasleduje, ne, jaz ne zasledujem tudi, ne. Razen nove filme pa zasledujem, ker me zanima tehnika snemanja.
A veste, da je filmski festival pa drugače?
Ja, to sem po televiziji sledila, ja.
Our festival is 6 years old, so it's starting to go to school soon. The point of the festival, we're trying to keep it the same as, maybe it sounds strange, but it is not the growth that we want to grow and expand in wideness, but in depth. The festival that would give to the people, to the audience and to the directors the possibility to be themselves and to express themselves and to have enough time to think things over.
Let's go to the cinema, huh? To watch some good movie.
We're interested in not the relationship between the author and the actor, but the author and the audience.
Hoppas det blir snö snart. Det känns som om vintrarna kommer senare och senare.
Well, should I?
Yeah.
It's about the journey. I mean, I'm not appearing in the film and anyone is talking.
Yeah, we...
To su tu 4 sela potopljena. Upozorenje svim ljudima, ne samo Kosinja, nego inače.
This was a really adventure to go to shoot movie without any knowledge what will be the story, who will be the characters. He told us you have 7 days to shoot movie because after 7 days the flood will, disappear.
I made several films before this one, but it was...
Sun comes back. It's gonna be some parties tonight.
Dimasti dimmi dai pure potete resistere messi sanno vaso pure chiedere strasto dai pure siro pure samo pure
The winner of Kino Otok Isola Cinema number 6
is the film Taxiphone by Mr. Mohamed Sudani.
I don't know what I can say because thank you. Selected in one festival is so important. Winner I think is also thank you. I have no word to say.
I can describe the festival as being a place where people can come, a returning point. I think this is important to have a point of return, a place where you can return every year.
Ajde, 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 kažite istinu. Ajde, 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 laži na velikom platnu.
Kvar?
2 karte.
Kaj se kaj dogaja?
Znači, kaj posebno, upam, da izkoriščam zadnjo priliko leta za koga.
Kaj pa kakšni filmi to, kaj je?
Filmom v mestu.
Sviraču.
We're trying this one. Red. Okay, let's go.